Hello, trading has closed on August 28, 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. At yesterday's close, I felt the most likely outcome for today would be a stilt-like drop at the open, which we got. There was also a target from August 25, 1995.95. The price printed, and after it did, it provided resistance and support. During the day, mejt said ultimately higher prices would print. The color-coded thick line gives the minimum target. The price was hit. Later in the day, there were a series of squiggles. mejt said wouldn't stick. They were false moves, which they were. It said that the target, as indicated by the thick line, would be hit on or after this time, which it was. It's pretty hard to make money by trading squiggles like this, but it's very easy not to lose money by jumping on trends which mejt says won't stick. Well, we still have a target of 2002.42, which did not print within its preferred time frame. We have no new mejt targets for tomorrow, and that means we're obliged to look at other things. Well, this is the pattern that we had. We had a diamond on stilts. Typically, we challenge the origin of the left stilt, which is 1988.40. We came close in the futures market. We came close in regular trading hours, but we have not hit it. This price is highly favored to print at some time, and usually we don't have to wait very long. However, it's not the only targeted price. Yesterday we had a wall into the close. Typically this is a sign of individual investors buying with abandon, with no pullbacks. At the end of the day, big money doesn't trade this way. It spreads its purchases out during the day, and certainly likes times when the liquidity is greater. Typically after this hole in the wall, a gap, the market rallies, fills the hole, and trades just over the high of the wall, at which place it finds resistance. That's the most likely thing, but if this is a major top, sometimes these things fail. A word of warning. Another thing I don't like is that the market stalled for about 4 hours, and as soon as regular trading hours closed, the volume shot up and new highs were hit. This means that the public is ready to push prices higher, and once the professionals get out of the way, there are not enough sellers to accommodate them at lower prices. If we do get a brief higher high, it would be bar 13 of a sequential sell signal on the half-day chart. The bar can finish early. We still have to mark sell signals on the 1/3 of a day chart and the 1/5 of a day chart. The recent high could be a throw over, it could be a 2B top. If you draw the Gann fan from here, you'll see it has provided good support, resistance, and also indicates where the gap down took place. Any drop should hold the 1928.29 low according to DeMark's work until we print 13 blue bars. For tomorrow, I think there are two scenarios, one more likely than the other. I think the least likely scenario is that we take out this low early in the day, ideally by gapping under it. If that were true, and if we got follow through, it could be that the top was in. I think the more likely scenario is that we trade higher first, go over this high, and possibly hit this high here. That would set up a number of sell signals and resistance areas, and I would expect a drop were that to occur. I think it'll be much easier to plan a trade at 11:30 Eastern time tomorrow, at which point I'm expecting a change in trend. Would be an easy sell if we were trading around this price at around 11:30 Eastern time. So all in all, we have higher and lower targets, a change in trend at 11:30, with the odds favoring the higher prices coming first, and that's today's call.